Hey folks, welcome to the Do It Yourself Dad channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean windows inside with no streaks, and I'll give you a hint. It's not using this stuff. So what you're going to need is a few things. You're going to need Dawn dish soap, just regular Dawn dish soap, some sort of a squeegee. You can get a dedicated window squeegee. This is actually one for cars. I've got a link for this one down in the description below, but you can pick these up at your local hardware store. You're going to need 2 small towels and 1 large towel. Let's get started. And this video is actually a follow-up video for another video I made on how to do streak-free windows outside. I had a ton of comments about how do you do them inside. I also had a lot of people make fun of my squeegee, hashtag squeegee shaming. I don't know if that's a thing. So I'm gonna show you how to do this inside with stuff you've probably already got around your house. Now we're gonna start by taking our towel over to the sink, take a little bit of that Dawn dish soap, and give yourself a little bit on there. The other stuff that actually works really well with this is the Dawn Power Wash, but we're gonna be using this. So now that we've got this on here, we're gonna get our towel completely wet. And then work the dish soap through the towel. Once you've got it worked through the towel, you wanna give the towel a good squeeze, so that way the towel doesn't drip all over your floor, but it still has enough water in it to get your windows. Now to catch our drips, we're gonna put our large towel along the base of the window or door. Any large towel will work. And now with our soapy wet rag, we're gonna go back and forth on the window. If you have any spots, you can really scrub at them. I've got a little hand mark there. And then going down further below, if you've got pets you can relate, I've got the snot stain here from my cat who thinks she can kill everything in the backyard. Next we're gonna take our squeegee and our dry towel and start from the top and go straight across. The towel is if you have any drips on the window frame or anywhere else you gotta get in, you can get those spots. Now, right now is when all of the professional window washers will go in and tell me that my technique is horrible. And that's fine. They did it on the last one. My technique probably is horrible. I'm a DIYer, but it works and it'll work for you. Now the same trick will work inside cars, inside windshields. You'll probably want a little bit smaller of a squeegee to get into the corners. And it'll also work on interior mirrors. Get that edge, get the bottom so we don't have any drips, and you're all done. Now, if you want to check out the video where we show you how we clean the outside of the windows, it's a little bit easier. There's one less step involved. And you can also go down in the comments there and see all the people, all the professional window washers and home cleaners that told me I did it wrong. And then you could also see the comments from all the professional window washers and home cleaners that says I did it right. So maybe you can go join the fight down in the comments. So I hope this video helped you out. Like I said, I do have a link for these down below if you want to grab one. You can also pick them up at your local hardware store or auto parts store. If this video did help you, please hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help the channel and it lets you know when I have more awesome videos like this that'll help you out around the house. Got any comments? Leave them down below. I'd love to hear them, and give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.